assignment, you're going to recreate this script, but you cannot use any repeats. This one I have repeating, and hopefully by now you can tell that this is a triangle because I have it repeating it's moving and turning 3 times. 3 times 120 is 360, so this makes complete, it goes around one complete time after 3 turns. So this is a triangle. And it's going to put it's going to have 12 triangles next to each other. After each triangle, it's going to move 80 steps and turn 30 degrees. So 30 degrees times 12 is 360. So this is a 12-sided figure. And I think that might be called a dodecagon. I am not sure. But anyway, you're going to make a 12-sided figure. It's going to start at -40, -150, which is kind of down here. And you'll see. Anyway, and then it's going to do all that. It's going to go around in a circle making triangles. These triangles will point to the inside because it's going to start down here. It's going to move 80, and then it's going to turn left, which is this way towards the center. And then it's going to turn and move again, and then it's going to, actually it's going to move and turn first, then move and turn, and then move and turn. It's going to start back where it started, or it's going to end where it started. And then it has to move 80 to get to the new spot. And it will rotate 30 degrees. So, I mean, anyway, so the cat will start leaning up this way, and then it'll do that all again. It'll do it 12 times. It'll end up in the center. So let me hit my reset. By the way, you need to have your reset script. It needs to be triggered by the X. Mine needs to stay exactly like this. I will look at both of these. In your backpack, if you don't have your reset script, go to your backpack and get it out of your backpack and put it up here so you have it. The X key will trigger your reset. The space bar will trigger this. Okay, your goal today is to recreate this without any spaces. I'm sorry, not without spaces. What am I thinking? Without any repeats. So if you look at the core features, okay, I'm going to come over here. The core feature, really, the only time it's actually doing anything is when I say go, put the pen down, move, turn, and I'm going to move and turn, and then I'm going to move, and then I'm going to turn, then I'm going to move and turn, move and turn, move and turn, and then I'm going to move here and turn. So watch. This part and this part are really the key features, okay? So I'm going to, for example, I'm going to duplicate this, and I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to duplicate this and put that right there. I'm not going to connect them. There's no point in connecting them because this part gets done 3 times every time I do one of these. And then I'm going to do that whole thing 12 times. So if I break this up into its parts, for example, let me pull this down. I'm just going to duplicate this, move it over here. I'm going to put that back up. This is going to be triggered by the A key. So yours has to be triggered by the A key. I'm giving you a huge hint right now. This is a huge, huge freaking hint. I will duplicate this. So you can see I've kind of pulled it apart without the repeats. So if you look at what I've got here, don't put them too close because they'll connect. But this is almost the same except I don't have this one repeating 3 times. So let's watch. X. Then I'm going to hit this A, which gets him in the right spot. Then I'm going to do this 1, 2, 3. And then he has to move and turn. Then I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and move and turn. And then 1, 2, 3, and then move and turn. You're going to repeat that process 12 times. So figure that out. This script will be very long. The math behind it would be, if this is getting repeated 3 times, that's 3 times 2. That's 6 little blue things. 6 plus these 2, which is 8, gets repeated 12 times. 8 times 12 should be 96. So 96 pieces will be representing this chunk. This chunk right here needs to be recreated with these. All right, and that is a major, major, major tip. Anyway, that is your assignment for today. Your reset script has to be here, triggered by X. My copy, my original, has to be here, triggered by the spacebar. Yours has to be here, triggered by the letter A. And I don't think there's anything else I need to tell you. Good luck.